Meghalaya SSA Schools Association MSSA Kalarai Shen Banshim Yakarai Halor Karai Jong Kasor Karjilla Banbu Yakajing Terwa Ban Pinkiu Yakatulop Jong Palat Katar Hajar Sanspa Sab Wengut Kinohikai SSA Hakaleng Kajilla Habakaran ha kajialang bat kinong tho khubor ha ka khalai trik nailur u president ka MSSA uba Aristotle si rembai ulaong dakawai kasur ngin sa shim yakarai ha kajialang jong ka General Executive Council GEC kaban salong ha ka arphuai trik unailur halor kisin jam badai ban shim ha kabaya day bat ki jubab ki balayo pediang na u Director of School Education and Literacy DSEL bat u State Project Director u Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan SSA Swapnil Tembe halor kamat ban penkiu tulap bat ban penbet renti ya kajing syakri jong kinohikai SSA ula pentep bah kakenhun jong ka MSSA SA kalayakan du ya utembe ha ka shipho tarik nailur uba Aristotle ulaong baha katay kajing ya kendu utembe ula pentep syakaseng ba ulayo ya kajing betha na u Commissioner and Secretary kapuli puthi ban pensange no na kabenta kapor namar kajing terwa ban penkiu ya katulop kabaar u State Project Director SSA jong kajilla ula pentep ru syakaseng ba katanat puli puthi katerwa syakakenhun menteri ha kabaya debat ka regularization ya kaji syakri jong kinohikai SSA.
Mentarasngi nakaliang jongi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body. Kawai naki seng jongi kinohikai SSA hapo Meghalaya. Nikot ya kan eka press conference panpa eka message kinohikai SSA Banun Hapo Kashatri jong Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body in particular berkunjung siya baru ki nohikai SSA Hapo Jela Meghalaya ki bomdon bat ka association jongi in general halor ki mat jingdawa ki banang sateng jongi kata menongkong ka deka jingatu tulop ni enhancement of salary bat ka baar bai dei bat ka man pen scam lani ban regularize ya ka service jongi ki nohikai SSA. Nagaling tu ni kami Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body. Nadu ketukupon ni akalong ya ka sit in demonstration hantai ha additional secretariat. How July arja akuar. Nagaling jungi gilaya good day ni kini ki atri ki matching dawa ki bangala kedeu haneng. But naka gilayo panyasyong ya boldly ki meeting nadu ki director jangka education honorable education minister pakum juro adu ke level jang deputy chief minister sa president song te hakji ya jeng nanti jongi kum ka association hakini ki snem bat ki banai kepala dem nagaling jongi kami Meghalaya SSA School Association hakashkotrik jong mental banai nilaya don ka meeting baru Director of School Education and Literacy pada waktu kapor State Project Director Isa Swapnil Tembe office te kam jogi hantai ha lain kran te hakni ka jingi kindo nakaliang jong ni kren halor kini ki atli kimat ki bakongsan ki badang sa teng menta ki badang kong ka enhancement of salary bat ka baar ka regularization ane ban pensken ka service jogi noikai SSA. Kebanyakan hakabai debat ka enhancement of salary nagaling jong Director of School Education and Literacy. Ula pentip syangi ka association bayamenta nagaling jong Commissioner Secretary jong ka Education Department ula ai ka instruction dan ka direction ban put on hold shwa ya ka ban pha ya ka proposal nang banta ban kentu tulop yang ni kinohikai SSA. Akabai day bat kani ka enhancement ka batmai nagaling jongi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association ka jingdawa ka bangina de bo sya ka sokar kalong kumne nagaling jongi ka TV ma hadin ka jumban jong ka RTA House nam arja kendai nagaling jong ka Government of India kala align ya ka SSA bat ka RTR how September 2010 di kemudian do September 2010 kini ki norms jong ka SSA bat ka norms jong ka RTE ke ka jo tildangi pek ha ka ni ka subsection 3 jong ka section 23 jong ka RTR hang to la kren shai ba ka salary but ki service condition ki allowance jong ki nongi kai ki ba hapo jong ka hapo jong ka RTR 2009 kidai bandong at par with regular teachers. Jadi susu nalon nanta hadir ke jimi jong ka RTR nakalian jong ka state government kat kum ka jimput ku bor jong ka section jong ka subsection 1 jong ka section 38 but subsection 2 jong ka section 38 jong ka RTR 2009 kala frame yang ka state RTE rules Kabamitin kum ka Meghalaya Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Rule 2011. But kabala de penmiru ya ka Government Gazette ha ka shitrik jong pra July arjar kapwe da Education Department. But kani kala sedang bantre kalmelu 1st August 2011. Te ha kani ka state RTE rules haka sub rule 1 but sub rule 3 jong ka rule 18 hang to la kedeu shai ba ka salary ba ki allowances jong kini kino hikai ki ba hapo jong ka adia ka de ban long at par with regular teachers. The based on this provision jong ka RTR nakalang jongi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association ngilabo ka jingdawa sa sarkar ba ka de ban pentiu ya ka tulok jongi basic pay plus dearness allowances in accordance with the revised pay structure Katkum ka Meghalaya Service Revision of Pay Rule 2018. Kata kalong ka jingdawa ka ba nakaliang jongi ka Meghalaya SSA ni labo hakmat juga sarkar. Kapay day pat ka jingdawa jongi ban first camp kani ban recognize ya ka service jongi kinoy ka SSA nakaliang jong Director of School Education and Literacy badai State Project Director jong ka Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan ulah pentip changi ka association bana kalian jong ka education department ka apan kre syat kala proses ya kani ka kam but menta kala de ban penkre ya ka draft copy jong ka cabinet memorandum nang benta ban ra ya kani ka mat hapo cabinet menta ban yo ya ka approval bani ka approval jong ka cabinet haka bai de ban scam ya ka service jongi kinohikai SSA tinanggalin jongi ka association haka ni ka jingi kindo ngila pangjing shashu now Director of School and Education and Literacy but haka bai de bat kani nagalin jongi ura pansyai bakumba nagalin jong ka Ministry of Education Government of India kala de pa ya ka shiti shabaro ki state government hapo ri India ya ka rai jong ka Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs jong Government of India haka nutrik jong 9 August 2008 bakala shin ya ka rai bayar kane ka scheme Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan can continue for the period of 5 years kabamut which effective from 1st April 2026 till 31st March 2026 sorry 1st April 2021 till 31st March 2026 tu lihat tu hangi ba kumba kalong menta kibabun ki state kila nang pen scam dan kila nang regularize ya ka service jongki nonghikai SSA kum kaduksa ila ai ba darshan mo hakini kindet na ngiliyo iba hapo jila Assam nakalian jong government of Assam ka shin ya kan ka initiative ban pen scam ya ka service ni ban regularize ya service jongki nonghikai SSA de halor jong kan ka shiti nakalian jong ka sarkar lembaga education department kala shimi ya kan ka sinjam ban penmi dan ban thau ya kata ka policy nak benta kumu ban group ya kasar ya kiyangi dan ya ka service jong nonghikai SSA shapo ka education department kumpa PDTV menta kala long 2024 the 31st March 2026 it's a very short span of time. Te nagali dumi long ba taking consideration ya kan ka for 31st March 2026 but ka jingdawa ju po bagi way ki state ki action ya kasinjam ban device service jo ki kai ti halor kani kanong rim ia tu ami banakali jo commissioner secretary ula ai kani ka direction ban put on hold chwa ya ka proposal nak benta ka study enhancement but ban move chwa ya kani ka cabinet memorandum nak benta ban yo ya ka approval nak cabinet hak bai dei bat ka regularization nak benta ka service jomi ki nohikai te habai dei bat kini ki jubab ki ba mil ayo lemba jom director nak ka sarkar nak kalian jomi min sasyong ya ka general executive committee ka jomi hak ka upway click jom tang panai hante hapo committee hall jom ka santhia hak ba min ya syong bat ya thir ya tai hak bai dei bat kini ka jubab ka ba mi mil ayo nak ka sarkar bat hak ni ka GEC meeting ka ban salom ngin sa simpat ya karai ka ka senjam ka ban kalian jomi ni sale but hadir jo ka GEC meeting ngin sa paro da ka jingtho sa ka government hak bai dei bat kani ka jubab ka ba nilayo nak ka sarkar lemba jo director of school and director of school and literacy jo ka sarkar Meghalaya.